Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add baggage on KLM. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to klm.com and you'll have a screen looking like this in front of you. But now guys, let's see what we actually, now of course you'll need to go and log into your profile. Of course, if you don't have one, you can always go and register to KLM. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top left corner, we have the home, my trip, check-in and information. In the top right corner, we have the language changer, login option, and here we have book a flight. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add baggage on KLM. So firstly, go to the website as I told you, then find your upcoming flight and click on manage booking or my trip. So you can click my trip, which is here the second option as you can see. So log in to view your managed trip, or of course, if you don't have an account, you can sign up for free as you can see. So now find your upcoming flight and click there and then look for the option to add baggage. You can usually find this under a section like baggage or manage baggage. Select the type of baggage you want to add, for example, extra checked baggage, oversized baggage. Follow the prompts to confirm your selection and complete the payment for the additional baggage. Just make sure to add your baggage at least 24 hours before departure to avoid higher fees. If you have any specific questions, of course, you can go and ask the customer support. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.